Little GTO, take me where you wanna go. Now wait a second. GTO, taking me where you wanna go? Come on, think about this. Is this the Cars movie? Is this an automated car kit? No, it's not. You go where you wanna go. And this would be a car to go in style. Anywhere to. Check that engine out. Not as much chrome as some of the others, but it's still a beauty. Chrome doesn't equal beauty, even though sometimes it does. Especially when you're talking about a car. But a beautiful attitude is a better thing to have, especially when at a car show, looking at other people's wonderful restored artwork. Yes, I say artwork because these curves are no longer made anywhere as far as I know of. If you know of a place, if you know of a car dealership that actually makes some kind of cars that looks this curvy, this sexy, this, oh my God, I want to see a woman on it with a bikini on, or a guy stretched across there with bulky muscles. Okay, that's your thing. Let me know though that they actually make those kind of cars anymore. But this is artwork, so please respect it. Just like if you were in a museum, there's no chains or security guards. Just be respectful. You're the security guard for these beautiful cars. Till next time, this is a GTO and Willis signing off.